Never's Camera, 23/05/2006. When we come to tell the story of Soweto on film, the camera will be nervous. It will dance uneasily to capture castrated dreams of freedom, of fruit plucked raw, children wasting under enemy fire. The tracking shot will travel down memory lane to one scorching winter in 76, to focus on the gushing wound of Hector and close up on the artistic-like fingers of Mbuyisa that tried to prolong his dear life. The camera will come back here to tell the story of a day that started like any other day and ended like no other day. Through the vibrating microphone, the voice of tears will come back to life, booming through the airwaves, storming the corridors of the SABC, jamming the networks. Furiously and frantically, the prophetic writings of Steve will type themselves on screen, selling ideas of black power, black beauty, black men, they are on your own. Nervously, the camera will tilt up its head with pride to capture the cascading black clouds, bowing down in salute to fallen young soldiers, armed with books, bricks and pens. The camera will freeze mid-air to capture the flying stone, splitting between the bank by marauding enemy bullets. The camera will hitch a ride on the wings of a dove to give aerial shots of a township enveloped in smoke, streets under siege, and capture the nauseating smell of tear gas drilling into flesh. The blood drops on the grass will gather again to splash the lens, washing dry the tears of our mothers. And when, in the comfort of your own homes, your eyes have filled their sight, I will direct the camera to pen to a better tomorrow. But before that, to tilt up its head once more and freeze on a comet star, winking, blinking at a new dawn, a new chapter, a new beginning.